Retake. All right, so this is the femur. We're going down to the tibia and the fibula. All right. If we're looking at it, the plateau of the tibia, all right, that is called a condyle. So we have one on this side, and we have a condyle on this side. If you look, the fibula is always lateral, all right? So therefore that makes this the lateral condyle. It makes this the medial condyle. Again, if we look at the whole upper extremity, again, the head should be medial, so therefore that is medial. We slide down, again, here's the tibial tuberosity. We slide down, this is the medial epicondyle. This then would be the lateral epicondyle. Medial epicondyles on the tibia, lateral epicondyles on the fibula. This again is the head of the fibula. If we slide down to the foot itself, the big bone here that makes up the ankle, that is the calcaneus. If we turn a little bit and we look at this bone right here, that is the bone that articulates with the tibia, that is the talus. Okay? Malleolus again? So medial malleolus is there. Lateral malleolus is there. So it's just the thickening of the bone as it gets to the bottom. Right?
So it's the malleolus and then the condyle?
Yeah, because you were calling it condyle.
I call this a condyle?
Yeah.
I screwed up again?
Yeah.
We're going for a take 3?
Well,
We going one more time? Sheesh. All right, so we're down to the tibia. We have this expanded part. We're going again. We have this expanded part up here and expanded part up here. These are called condyles. All right. Remember that the head of the femur is always medial, so therefore this is the medial condyle. All right. The other way to remember it is the fibula is always lateral. All right. So this is the lateral condyle. This is the medial condyle of the tibia. This is the tibial tuberosity. If I slide down to the distal end of the tibia, then we have a malleolus. The malleolus is just that thickening. It makes up the ankle bone on the outside, on the inside. If we follow down the fibula, this is the lateral malleolus. It makes up the ankle bone on the outside. If we go down, oh, and I guess the only other thing is that, right? That's the head of the fibula. If we slide down to the ankle joint itself, the calcaneus doesn't really make up the ankle joint. The calcaneus is also known as the heel, right? The bone that makes up the ankle joint is this bone here, which is the talus. All right. The talus and the calcaneus are bones of the ankle, right? They are tarsal bones, but you have to know their names specifically. The rest of the tarsals, all these guys here, you just have to call them tarsal bones. If we have that, then this one that makes up the most part of the foot, that is the metatarsals. And then we slide down to the toes, which are also known as the phalanges. We do have 3 of them, right? The furthest is the distal phalange, we have the middle phalange, and then we have the proximal phalange. Good? We're going to take 4.
now